Hello, my name is Mini Sethi. Today I'm going to discuss about The Power Book Summary Part 3. In Part 1 and 2, we discuss about that what is power and power of feeling. Our today's topic is feeling frequency. Feeling frequencies. Okay, everything everything in the universe is magnetic. Everything in the universe is magnetic, and everything has a frequency. Our thought and feeling also have magnetic frequency. Okay, good. Feeling good means that we are in positive frequency. Feeling good feeling good means that we are in positive frequency. On the other hand, feeling bad means that we are in negative frequency. Okay, feeling good means that we are in positive frequency. On the other hand, feeling bad means that we are in negative frequency. Okay, if you feel joyful, your joyful frequency will attract joyful people, joyful event, and joyful circumstances in your life. On the other hand, if you feel fearful, your fearful frequency will attract fearful people, fearful event, fearful circumstances in your life. Okay, that's why suppose if you feeling good about your relationship, if you think that your relationship are good, okay, you are giving love, if you feel that your relationship are joyful and you giving love, as a result you will receive more joy and love back because you are giving love. Okay, then take your feeling, take your feeling of automatic pilot, automatic pilot. Okay, take your feeling of automatic pilot. Okay, most of the people most of the people put their feeling in autopilot mode. Most of the people put their feeling in automatic pilot mode instead of deliberately taking charge for it. They put their feeling in automatic pilot instead of deliberately taking charge for it. Okay, they never understand. Most of the time people cannot understand their feeling and thought is cause what is happening in their life. Their feeling and thought is cause what is happening in their life. Okay, if most of the time they are thinking negative, means that they are giving negativity. As a result they will receive negativity. Okay, for example, okay, you don't have enough money, that's why you are always feeling bad about money. Okay, naturally you feel bad about money because you don't have enough money. You are in negative frequency of money. As a result, you will attract all negative circumstances, such as a big bills that you have to pay, that will drain your all money because you are continue think bad about money and you are in bad frequency. You are in negative frequency of money. That's why you will attract all negative event in your life, such paying big bills, such circumstances that will drain your money. Okay, then no excuses for no excuses for no excuses for force of love. No excuses for force of love. Okay, if you don't have all things that you love, if you don't have everything that you love, it doesn't mean that you are not loving a good person. If you don't have all things that you love, it doesn't mean that you are not loving a good person. Okay, problem is that most of the people love and stop loving. Most of the people, I will give you example. Most of the people love, then stop loving. Okay, okay, for example, think about a moment you express love for your loved one. Think about a moment when you express Love for your loved one by giving them warm hug. But after a few moment, you stop giving love. When you are irritating, when you are frustrated because you are not able to find your key, you are not able to find space in parking, you are delayed because of traffic. When you are irritated, you stop giving love. Okay, sometime one moment, okay, think about a moment you are expressing love, giving love, but in next moment you stop giving love. This is problem with people. They give love, but they stop giving love 100 times in the day. That's why our love is not enough to attract all loving thing in our life. Okay, our love is not long enough to attract all loving thing in our life, because one moment we express love, but in another moment when we are feeling irritated, we stop loving. Okay, that's why our love is not enough to attract all thing in our life. That's we love. Okay, then then every little thing is included. Every little thing is included. Okay, every little thing is included. Okay, Edwin, Edwin, Edwin Markham, Edwin Markham says that all that, all that we send into others' life, all that we send into others' lives comes into our own. Okay, all that we send into other lives comes in our life. That is said by Edwin Markham. Okay, okay, we don't make connection. I will give you in this book author gives very interesting example. Okay, we don't make connection when you complaining a person in a store. Okay, we don't make connection when you complaining a person in a store. In next moment or after few hours, you will receiving call from your neighbor. He is complaining about your dog. Because you gave negativity, as a result you are receiving negativity. Okay, one moment in our life, many of time these things are happen, but we don't make connection. In one moment you are complaining to store, okay, store person. In next moment you are receiving call from your neighbor. He's complaining about your dog is barking. Because in previous moment you gave negativity, as a result you receive negativity. All things are connected to each other. Okay, think about a moment when you don't make connection. Most of the time we don't make connection. Okay, we don't make connection when you meet your friend, when you meet your friend and talking negative about your mutual friend. Okay, talking so much negative about your mutual friend, and when you arrive back at home, you discover a big problem with your major client. Because you gave negativity. When you talking negative about your mutual friend, you are giving so much negativity. That's why you receive negativity. That's why you discover that major problem with your client. These are connected. Okay, and we don't make connection when you happily help with your child with their homework. Next day you got tax refund more than your expectation, because you gave positivity. As a result you got positivity. We don't make connection. We most of the time we don't make connection when you do any favor for your friend. In same week you will receive complimentary voucher from your boss for sports game. Because you few moment ago you gave a few days ago you gave positivity, you did favor for your friend. As a result you receive voucher, complimentary voucher from your boss. As a result you receive. Because in our every moment in our life we receive what we are giving, whether we make connection or not. Everything is connected with each other. If you are giving so much negativity, you will receive so much negativity. If you are giving so much love, positivity, as a result you will receive so much positivity, whether we make connection or not. Okay, then tipping point. Tipping point. Author says that if you are giving more than 51% positive thoughts and feeling, if you are giving more than 51% positive thought and feeling, you are in tipping point. Why this is tipping point? Why more than 50% giving positivity and feeling is tipping point? Because when you are giving love, when you are giving love, not only you are receiving circumstances that you love, but you are receiving but it add more love and more positivity in your life. Okay, that's why more than, if you are giving more than 51% positive thought and feeling, you are in tipping point. Because when you are giving love, not only you receive circumstances that you love, but it add more love and more positivity into your life. Okay, so if you think positive today, if you think positive today, it not only make your day good, but also make your tomorrow good, but also make your life good. That's why we have to think positive as much as possible. We should try to think possible, we should try to think positive as much as possible. By thinking positive continue, it will multiply by law of attraction. By thinking continuous positive, it will multiply by law of attraction. You will see day by day your life will become better. This is law of attraction. Okay, I think you understand. Thank you.